In this tutorial, I will show you how to optimize your workspace in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp and take a moment to define the purpose of your workspace. Ask yourself what you are using it for. It could be client projects, team collaboration, or personal productivity. Having a clear goal helps you organize everything better. Next, simplify your workspace structure. Avoid creating too many spaces, folders, and lists. Keep things clean and easy to navigate. A simple structure helps you and your team find tasks faster. Now, review your task statuses. Use clear and consistent labels like to do, in progress, and completed. Remove unnecessary or confusing statuses to keep workflows smooth. After that, start using templates. Templates save time and keep your projects consistent. Create templates for tasks, lists, or workflows that you use often. Then move on to automations. Set up simple automations like assigning tasks, updating statuses, or sending reminders. This reduces manual work and improves efficiency. Next, organize your custom fields. Group them logically and use clear names. This makes reporting and tracking much easier. Now, create role-based views and dashboards. Show only relevant information to each team member. Managers can see overviews, while team members focus on their tasks. Also, improve communication inside ClickUp. Use comments, mentions, and notifications instead of switching between tools. This keeps everything in one place. Make it a habit to review workload regularly. Check who is overloaded and who has capacity. Adjust tasks to keep your team balanced. Finally, clean up your workspace regularly. Archive old tasks and remove unused items. A monthly cleanup keeps your workspace fast and organized. That is how you optimize your workspace in ClickUp.